The purpose of this video is to make a brief demonstration of the new PLC Tracer module. It is a hardware module which can optionally be installed into any type of device. So you can have it in a power line tester of PLT 1501, 1503 three-phase, or the broadband, or the current device. It is now available, so as of April 2021, it is an available module, and it is actually tracing all the signals coming in through the G3 PLC line. So let's see it in action. Let's see the software, how the software looks, and how it fits into the existing device. So please note that we have here a G3 PLC signal, just a normal spectrum analyzer as with any other device. And this new option, the PLC Tracer option, is seen here. So if you have this option, you will see this button over here. If you don't have it, you won't see it. So let's see how it works. If we click here, we just get a very simple plain PLC tracer module, and down here you can see the signals coming in. So please observe that you can see for every package that comes in that is intercepted by the PLC tracer, you can see its timestamp, you can see its source, the number or the name of the source, the destination. Maybe this is a DC or a meter, the type of the signal, modulation type, LQI, which is basically the signal to noise ratio, which the semiconductor inside will measure, the length of the signal, and the data within this signal. So normally the data, measurement data is encrypted, but you can also decrypt it with these decryption options which are available here. If you have the key, this key will normally be given to you by a DSO if they want to give it to you. So it is possible to decrypt it. So now these signals are coming in, and please note that we have here a success rate. So this one in this case is about 95%. It can be lower, it can be higher depending on where we are. But basically, the signals, the packages which have a bad CRC are accounted for as bad packages. So we can record all this communication by just clicking here, Start Recording. We get a note saying that recorder has now initiated, and everything is now being recorded. Please note this check mark on the right-hand side. So everything from now on is being recorded, and the device doesn't have to be operated as we are operating now. So we can actually leave the device and the logger will keep on running. We can view the recorded files, but just once we get back by just clicking the view recorded files. And now we see the CSV files here with their timestamps. So if we, for example, choose one CSV file, we can then have a look at it, and it will look something like this. So basically, we have a CSV file with everything inside. So you can then manipulate these CSV files with some other tools, such as Excel or some other tools. Okay, let's see what other options are given here. So, for example, we have some filtering options where we can filter by all the fields which you see in this table, such as time, source, destination, type, module, LQI, and so on, where we can sort data by certain columns. By default, they are sorted by time, as you can see, in descending order. Of course, this can be changed. So I can pause the live refresh here. I can hide all these options because I just want to basically see what is important here. Yeah, and this software will also support JSON format. So you can export data that you see here in a JSON format, and then later on you can import it just to see it. So this is the first stage of the PLC Tracer. As you can see now how it works. Our goal, however, is to incorporate this functionality also into other modules or other software modules of the power line tester, such as the spectrum analyzer. So our goal is to have the PLC tracer work in parallel with the spectrum analyzer and with the oscilloscope. So thank you very much for watching.